Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox Realme C11. This is my first video and I would like to tell you that don't disappoint if there's any mistakes in this video because it's the first time I'm doing a YouTube video, so please enjoy the video. Today finally Realme has launched its latest mobile Realme C11. It's a latest mobile from Realme C series. So today I bought the unboxing video for you to show the Realme C11. It's a normal box like regular Realme unboxing videos. It's in typical yellow packaging and the branding, Realme logo, everything is same to same. On the back they mention some specifications of this product, the price, manufacture date, etc. That's the box, and now let's break the seal. Now I'm breaking the seal. Now let's start opening and checking the Realme phone. The box is so tightly packed, and finally, on the starting, we find an envelope like regular Realme boxing style. It's written, "Welcome to Realme family." In this, they gave us some paperwork, documentation, and no case. This time, Realme didn't provide case. I think so. In review units, they will not provide case. And a SIM ejection tool under the envelope. And finally, the Realme C11 smartphone. It's in green color and it's very shiny. I am opening it from the cover. Here it is. Wow, the design is awesome. They have designed it in encouraging the youth to buy budget smartphones. It's mostly like iPhone 11 style. It's in green color and it's normal. Let's keep this aside and start unboxing it. Under the tray of the phone, we found a charging cable. It's a white and micro USB charging cable. It's not a fast charging cable. And a charging brick or power adapter which is 5 watts, 2 amps, which can charge our phone in speed of 10 watts. The phone is having a huge battery but a slow charger. It's really disappointing. Okay, the phone is booted up. Now let's start setting up the phone. The phone is completely set up. The design is awesome. It's a polycarbonate back panel which have a square shaped camera design. Every Realme smartphones would have come with vertical camera design. This time they have changed the design and mostly copied Apple's iPhone 11. And they have a band with Realme logo on it, and it's completely textured polycarbonate back, mostly of plastic. The frame of the phone is made of plastic. We cannot expect metal or aluminium frame in this price range. Now let's see the components on the side. On the bottom of the phone, we are having 2 dual microphones, 1 headphone jack, and a speaker grill. On the side, we are having on and off button and a volume rocker. On the top, it's clear. On the side, we are having SIM card tray. That's on the phone. This phone is just a budget smartphone from Realme series. Realme claimed that this phone is mostly focused on youth people to buy budget smartphones. This is the first phone in India to have MediaTek Helio G35 gaming processor. This processor is made for gaming and Realme has put it in this phone and brought this to India. It's having 2 GB RAM and 32 GB storage. It's having a dedicated SIM slot. You can keep SD card and 2 SIM cards in this phone at a time. Both the SIM cards will support 4G Wall LTE and it has 6.5-inch Full HD resolution display. It's having a water drop notch. Actually, Realme changed its name into Mini Drop because water drop is a long name. It's not having any bloatware and unnecessary apps like Redmi. This software is very clear and there are no ads. It's written Realme C11. It's running on Android 10 out of the box. And this phone is too smooth and at budget cost you are getting 5000 mAh battery. That is so cool, right? 5000 mAh battery, but it's only having 10 watts charger. A huge battery with a very slow charger is really very disappointing. And now let's check the camera. It's having a typical square shaped camera like iPhone 11. On the back, we are having 12 megapixel plus 2 megapixel dual rear camera and the shutter speed is average, not that too fast. It's also having portrait mode and can be zoomed to 5 times. Through the back camera, we can record up to 180p but not 4K. It's having time lapse, slow motion video, panorama, etc. On the front, we are having 5 megapixel front camera. It's also supporting portrait shots in front camera. From the front camera, we can record up to 1080p but not 4K. The phone is looking so stylish and there is no lag even in gaming. It's a really budget smartphone for gaming. Actually, PUBG will not play that smooth, but there are few lags. People who want a gaming smartphone in a low cost is Realme C11. C2 is priced low, but this time it's priced high. I think so because of COVID-19 or GST hike. Now that's the unboxing. So please subscribe, like and press the bell icon beside the subscribe symbol. If you like this video, share to your friends, families, etc. And on July 21st, I am going to release OnePlus Nord series unboxing video, so stay tuned for it. I might give some 5 giveaways for people who want OnePlus Nord series. So the giveaway details I will give on the July 21st. And thank you. My name is Manoj Vihar and you are watching MV.